how to add a new user account on your Mac. So the first thing is you want to go to your system settings at the bottom of your screen right here, or system preference. And then after that, you want to scroll down until you find users and group. You want to click on it. And then right here, you can just click on add account. Or if you are in the older version of your Mac, then you want to first click on the lock icon at the left of settings, and then enter your password like this. And then you can click on the plus button. Here you want to enter your password. And then like here, you can choose in the new account whether it was an administrator, standard, sharing only, or group. If you choose administrator, then it means that the new user can add and manage other users, install application, and change settings. And if you choose on standard, it will means that the user can install apps and change their own settings, but cannot add other users or change others. So I recommend use on standard because you are an administrator right here. And if you choose sharing only, that it means that the user only access the shared files remotely, but cannot log in on the computer or to change settings. Or you can just choose on group if you are having the Mac in the office. After that, you want to click your full name, account name, and password. Click again your password in the verify. And then you can choose a password hint. And then just click on create user. And there you go. And to log into another user, you can just click right here at the top left of your screen, this Apple logo. And then log out. And then after that, it will appear right here and you can choose the user that you are desired to go. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.